Hi guys, this is Lukman. What's up? Welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to share to you the long-term review of a Ringke camera styling here that I unboxed and showed in the previous videos. So I did this. I am doing this because someone on my channel requested this. So let's get started. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the thickness. Okay, so the thickness is that it is quite thick, especially if you're not using a case. So let's say I grab a case here. So okay, 1 second. So by itself it looks pretty much flush with the lenses that came with the iPhone 12. And then if you want to put it flat on the table, it will wobble a little bit more than usual. So let's put on the case. Okay, so when I put on the case, as you can see, the bump on the case perfectly covers the styling itself. So when you're using a case, especially this thin case, I'm using the Ringke Fusion case, it feels like it is one with the phone. Okay, now let's remove it. The second thing is that I want to talk about is the dust. And okay, so the dust here, as you can see, there's not much that attracts the dust to the styling, except some small ones here which you can clean like this. Okay, so pretty much not a problem for me. I think I saw a hair somewhere, but then if you can see it, no, I think it's gone. Okay, so the third one is how it affects my usage. If I'm using a case, especially, I kind of never notice it, but then when I showed this to my friends, and then they will want to remove the case. Okay, oh, sorry Luffy. Okay, so they will want to remove it to feel it in the hand, and then they will say this is very different from the 11. They will say the bump here is thicker than usual. So I won't tell them that firsthand. So they will just be talking and talking, and then I said this is not from the that came out of the box. I put this as a sticker. So and there was like, what? I thought, I mean they thought this came with the phone because it looks very similar in color, and then I think it blends very well, the styling. So that's that. Okay, so but the thickness without the case is bothering me actually. Okay, the next one. Okay, I mean the next in my usage, how it affects me. So if you have a wireless charger or MagSafe or anything, the round one, I don't have it with me. It's plugged into all places. I mean to all places in my house, so I don't want to unplug it. Okay, so if you use the round one, no issue, no problem, because it will lay flat like that, and then the camera bump will be outside of that area. And then if unless you're using the flat kind of pad, I have a wireless charging pad at my office. Let's say this one. Okay, when I put it flat like this, with a case or without a case, the bump here, as you can see, it is a bit more obvious. Okay, usually it is already an obvious one. So but this one, you can see the distance between the body and the surface, the wireless charger, is much more further now. So I have to align it very carefully to be able to charge it. So usually when I use my S10 Plus and then the Mi 10, I can just put it and forget, because they basically line up like this because of the thinner camera bump. So for this one, I have to put it like this and then adjust it right, left, up, bottom like this. and then it sometimes won't 100% register the charger, and sometimes it disconnects itself suddenly without no without anything. Okay, so that's one issue, but then the battery life and everything kind of nullifies that, because I can go through the day without charging in my office. And then I will talk more about that in the iPhone 12 review, which is still ongoing. I'm still discovering things with it, and then I hope to be able to release it soon. Okay, so I guess that's about it. That's kind of like my mini review for this Ringke camera styling. So I hope you guys like this content. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. What did I do with the hand? Okay, and then the subscribe if you want to see more content and my thoughts and opinions on gadgets and techs and everything that came to my mind that I want to share about with you guys. So hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.